Hello guys, welcome to day 200 from 400 days of learning programming challenge. So I spent half of the way of this challenge. So check out my first video if you don't know what this challenge is all about. I'm happy about the results that I found I have received in this challenge. Now and about half of the way I have to go until I become a full stack web developer, and that's it. I'm just happy about it. Let's get back to our work, which is creating NPM packages, which is about the back end of the website. Yesterday I tried to install a NPM package. I did successfully completed a part of this, but it's still a little bit confusing for me about how to use it. So I want to get back, remove the, let me show you. Remove these codes that I have tried to install yesterday and install a new one. Like what I have learned in the course that I have bought. So I think it will help me to understand more easily how to use NPM packages. So let's get back here, close this for now, close this folder, open NPM site, NPM. Let's search for a package called silly name. Silly name. So this package will create silly names. Let's see how can I use it. Let me open a terminal. New terminal. So this is the back end that I'm trying to learn. I already learned about front end, which is HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Now let me check my notes. I have to create a folder for my project. So node.js practice. And now I'm going to drag and drop it here. And close this one. I wonder why it contained a Node.js index.js, because I already removed them, but anyway. We changed the directory here. We already changed it. How can I clear all of these codes? Just annoying. Clear. Okay, clear. Oops. So still we have it. Let me search. clear code in terminal VS Code. The easiest, tested on Windows, is to hover the cursor over the terminal and use Ctrl-I to clear terminal. Ctrl-I. It is still showing the older history. Clear history in terminal. To get into the terminal window, that works, but take it a bit longer. Here you will have to search for clear command for terminal by typing clear. We already tested that. How do I clear terminal VS Code history? This is a video. Let's check the Stack Overflow. Also, I can use ChatGPT. Come on. How to clear history in terminal VS Code. Open the terminal in VS Code by pressing Ctrl plus dot. It's already open. Let me close it to see if I can open with that. Nope, it doesn't work that way. Terminal, new terminal. So it's Control Shift and a sign that I don't know how to call it. So Control Shift and something. Okay, I think it's here. Control Shift. Okay. It's beside the number 1, the key on the keyboard. So Control Shift, Control Shift. Okay. I opened a lot of PowerShell here. Let me close it. I think I could have just create a new PowerShell. That was it. We don't need to clear the terminal, so the problem has been solved. Let me close this one. Close this one. Okay, let's get back to work. Now we are in the folder that we want in the directory. Now, in order to start NPM, working with NPM, we have to type NPM init. NPM init initialization. It's going to ask us some the information. We can name something for our package like new package. It's still confusing about this error. I got it yesterday as well. Sorry, name can only contain URL friendly characters. This is so annoying. Let me search this error. I was trying to install package.json. JSON with npm in it to install Bootstrap in my folder, but I am getting the error. npm install Bootstrap, blah blah. I am new to this. I can't exactly figure what I am doing wrong. I was following a tutorial whose link I will attach along with the screenshot of my console. I had the same problem, then I realized that I never finished the npm init properly. So I'm at the beginning of initialization. How can I finish it before starting it? This error is also thrown still nowadays if scoped package in your package.json is missing as in you will get this error if you're trying to list. This should be npm init is actually creating the package.json file and setting the characteristic of the project. It has no relationship with Bootstrap. So in the field package name, you have to enter the name of your project. You have now entered the npm install Bootstrap command, or you can just press enter if the name displayed in bracket is enough. You can just press enter if the name displayed in the bracket is enough. Complete the npm init process by setting all the characteristics of project. npm install Bootstrap, deleting the log file and running npm I again solved the issue for me. What these guys are talking about, I don't get it, because I just want to choose a name for the project. Package name node.js practice. Okay, what does it mean when npm says name can only contain URL friendly characteristic? When a message in the terminal states that blah blah while using npm, it's because the name you specified for your package contains characters that are not allowed in a URL. Maybe because I used a space, so in the URL I cannot use a space. For example, if you're trying to name your package my first npm package, the space between my and first would cause an error since it's not URL friendly. Instead, you can name it my first npm package with some lines between them or underline between them. Yes, Now I get what is the problem. So I can say new line package. That's okay. The problem has been solved. Let me close these pages. Now it says which version I want to install. I have no idea which is the version, but here we have the name of the version, I think. So a question arises: if I put this version, which is here, and put it here, is it make any difference? Because it already have a default version 1. So one question is, if I put this version 010 here, is it make any difference or not? So I'm not going to change it. I'm just pressing the enter. So any description, I can say I put a blob. Good description for now. So pressing enter. Entry point index.js. Test command. Git repository. Keywords. Author Alfred. License. Is this okay? Yes. So now we created something called package.json. JSON. So it has some details from package. New package, version, description, blah blah, made, index, debug. What is debug here? NPM run test. Oops, it happened. Open a file which can be debugged or run. We don't have an extension for debugging JSON. Should we find cancel for now? I'm not sure what I'm doing. We get back here. Okay, let's get continue. So this is a part for showing the overall information from my package we created here. Now let's get back to install our package, main package, which is creating a silly name. But I wonder, in the course that I bought, it says that I have to install a new package. So what is this? If I create that package file, let me do it first so you guys understand what I am saying. Copy this page, this code. Now here, I'm going to paste it in order to install a package who can create silly names. Pressing enter. waiting for the debugger to disconnect. And I think we added one package and audited 2 packages in 5 seconds. So here is the package that have been installed. Now, I have a question. If you know, please answer in the comment section. What is the difference between these 2 packages? Have I need to create this package first and then create this one? This is the question that I have. So now, after I created this package, there is a dependencies here that's been added. So dependencies is the city name. So I think somehow this package lock.json is sub package of this package.json. So it's create a project and then it will add a dependencies here, like some other packages. I think this is the answer on my question, but I'm not sure. It's just a guess. Now I have to create a JavaScript page. JavaScript. Let's save it as index. Now we have to code our package. So we created a package which contains some other packages. Now we can create a new index page and we can put our codes about JavaScript in here and then connect these packages to this document. This is what I have thinking. Maybe it's false, maybe it's true, I don't know. This is how I can use this package. It needs 2 lines of codes. We have spent 24 minutes, but let's finish this part. So here is something called require. What is required is a style name. Now I have to let me see if I can open this in live server. With live server, there is no options for that, so I think we cannot open this in the browser. Console login JS syntax. So let's console log it here. So these two lines will create a silly name, but after that we have to copy and paste it here. Now if I run this page, index.js, node index.js. So what is the problem? That it cannot create silly names. So now let's try. Silly name is not defined. I think I have a problem. I'm going to ask this from my friends in Discord. I have a channel in Discord, so there's a lot of programmers, professional ones are there, and we're helping each other. They help me and other beginners into learning web development. It's completely free. So if you are willing to join this channel, I will put a description, invite link in the description, so you can join in this channel. I'm going to ask for help, so see if I can get any. And we'll solve this problem tomorrow. Thank you guys for watching. See you tomorrow.